There's something right there in the bushes. Look, it's moving. Oh God. What is it? There's something in the bushes right there. Hello everyone, this is DevCore here, and we're doing a CE5 experiment in a secret cove out at Fallen Leaf Lake. Also, we'll be looking for other things such as paranormal stuff, but this will probably be our main location for the night. We might go to the old foundation tonight if we feel like it later. Our main focus is CE5. Yeah. We're going to play the sounds. We have the whole sky here. This is our view, and that's the open sky we'll be looking at while we do the experiment. This is what's behind us. It's just dark woods. We'll get started with the experiment. We're going to kind of let it get darker. So we're going to kind of hang out here for a minute. Alright, so there's a beaver over here. He's on the water. He's eating the branches right here. Right there. Right there. Hey, bud. Hey, beaver bud. Well, it's dark now. Well, it's not completely dark, but it's getting dark. It's almost dark. The table's making sounds. If you hear this, it's the table. It's kind of jet. Yeah, another jet. Well, the first star came out. It's up above over here. But so far, we've just been watching the sun go down. We saw a couple fish jumping. Saw beaver. There's a jet. So I just saw a flash up in the sky above us. I thought it was a jet, but it's not. It's gone now. I don't see it anymore. Let's see if we can capture it. It was really quick. So we brought, the camera's over here. Okay. Yeah. So we brought a few tools with us this time. Oh wait, sorry. We brought a few tools with us this time. We got a voice recorder. It's super amplified. Picks up the audio well. Yeah, I could hear like 3 stories down. That's what it said in the description. Comments. Yeah. And then Corey has this. We have this thing. It detects like frequencies. And see if you can show him an example. So like basically. Yeah. But that's like from our camera. Frequency. But so we figured we could point at the sky. Yeah. If we see anything, it might pick up some frequency. Stereo here. We're gonna be playing the sounds on. Electromagnetic field. The EMF meter. Yeah. Night vision. Night vision camera. It's IR. This will be in case we hear something behind us. We can turn this on and record and see if there's anything back there. Yeah, without light. Without light. Yeah. Yes. And or to possibly capture something else. Yeah, we have a new tone to try out. It's a scary tone. Good. It's gonna be a kind of a full moon. That light back there, right there, that's the moon. It's coming up. Yeah, pretty fast. I have a new CE5 Experiment tone that we're going to be playing out here. It was recorded in a chapel, or I mean like a place somewhere where there's like a huge building. It's a new chant they did to contact aliens. Yeah, but we'll find out. See how it works. But it sounds creepy. I played it before, and Devin hasn't heard it yet as much. I heard part of it. Yeah. Looking at this light in the camera, I'm looking behind us. We can't see anything. No, there's woods back behind us. Lakes in front of us, woods behind us. The last time we were here, a bear walked up on us, and we had to scare away with an umbrella. But it snuck up on us. So we're gonna give it a few more minutes to get a little bit darker, and then we'll start the experiment. So we're gonna do a quick little side project, EVP. Is anybody here with us or around us? Is there any spirits or paranormal entities out here with us? Could let us know you're here. Alright, so we switched to my phone. His phone's getting ready to play the sounds. I'm going to have the EVP going while we're doing this experiment. We're going to do the Giza Pyramid Chant. Okay, recorder is starting now. Is it loud? Yeah, it's the loudest. It's got like chills. I just imagine with like this sound, like a huge bright light just going by, you know, and like it being like all slow motion. We're gonna do the next kind of half of the song in darkness, so I'm gonna turn this light out. We're gonna start the sounds up again. I was starting to get like chills, and I kind of felt like someone was walking up behind me. Yeah. But I didn't want to look. What we're gonna be doing now, I had this idea of what if we turn on the light really, really bright, and we put it right here, and we put the phone facing towards the woods. All right, so we're out of the camera now. Lights behind us. We're gonna have our eyes shut. 3, 2, 1. For the last 2 minutes, Devin and I are going to visualize, like, with our imagination, with our eyes closed and everything. We're going to both try to imagine a being right between us. So we're both focusing on whatever it is, and then see if it can manifest. Okay. So I was just curious, what kind of being were you visualizing? It almost looked like it was a see-through head coming to form like this, like an orb. Started to like peer through, and then it just kept going back. I was kind of picturing like a smaller thing with kind of like a sun color, kind of bright, small, like probably that tall. That's what I was picturing. But that's pretty weird. That was just my imagination. Yeah, but like your imagination could do those kind of things, and it could create something too. Yeah, like facing that way. Yeah, towards the moon. Yeah, towards the moon. So we have a camera set up behind us now. It's a little handheld camera. We have that back there. We're going to play the Mount Shasta tones now. We're going to do the crop circle tones. And we have a camera set up back there to show you guys how loud it is and see if anything shows up. We're going to be lights out so we can see the sky. We'll try to, if you see something, we'll get the camera flipped around as fast as we can. Now, sorry. We're going to be doing the Mount Shasta tones now. We're gonna have the light on, eyes closed. All right,
Ready?
we're starting to mount Shasta tones. Eyes closed.
Did you feel for a moment though that you like got walked up on?
No. So we decided we're gonna leave this spot. We're gonna go to the old chimney, which is just right there, and we're gonna continue the experiments there. Be a little bit better because we'll be more in the woods, kind of add more creepy factor. But,
Yeah.
So we're gonna walk over there now, and we'll see you all when we get there. But unless we see something along the way, never
True.
know. All right, so this is a night vision camera. Walking back. Okay, I know I have night vision on, but I need a light to see. I don't trip and eat it. Okay. Coming?
Yeah.
Making sure you're not trying to do a split up investigation with me. See, it's already 10 times scarier back here.
Yeah.
Already, like, as soon as I got back here, I was like, no. Here's an old foundation. This battery dies so fast, it's already yellow.
Really?
Yeah. Coyotes? Yep. Let's switch back to the phone. There's the chimney right there. The spot we tried to go to last week. We actually made it this time. There it is. Can't really see it yet in the phone. Coyotes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's a bird. I hope. I think there's a bald eagle's nest over here, remember?
Yeah.
The chimney.
Or that big bright light though. They can.
What bright light?
The bright light that you brought.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go on this side of the foundation. Make sure there's no critters hiding on the wall. Never know. Oh. There's a really crazy hole in there. Wait, stop. What? What?
There's something over here. There's like.
Oh God, right here. There's something right here in the bushes. There's something right there in the bushes. Look, it's moving. Oh God. What is it? I think it's a porcupine. That's right. It's gonna come out right there. What's porcupine?
This?
Yep.
Oh my God.
Hey, bud.
Hi.
The porcupine. Hey, buddy. Sorry to bug you.
Yo, so freaking cute.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my goodness.
Go on your way. Sorry to bug you. Sorry, bud. Now have a good night. There he goes. This is the second time a porcupine has scared us.
Porcupines, I swear. Are they aliens?
Off he goes. Sorry, bud. They're very kind creatures. Just don't pet them because you get quilled.
Yeah, we can't pet them. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be placing this speaker inside the chimney. And hopefully the sound travels will go straight up like a pillar. And hopefully we get some crazy stuff happening. Just like that porcupine.
Who says it's a porcupine, though?
I know, it's true. We did see
Aliens.
aliens. We're going to do the Giza pyramid again.
Oh, the chant one?
The chant one.
Okay. Let's start the chant one again. There's some frogs, but they should get quiet. But the camera's way over there. Sound's over here. Good. Frogs are quiet. Let's go. Should we close our eyes? That was a big one over there. Did you hear that? It was like... Right? Yeah. I feel like something's like coming up on us, but it's not. Is there anything here with us? It was like walking. Also, you said that you're going to pick on the phone. What did you do? This is the crop circle tones. We're going to try our very best to manifest, like, and welcome anything that comes to mind. Alien related or anything. If we hear sounds, then I'm gonna stop it and. But let me hold on. Let me get the EVP up. What? Let me get the EVP up. Oh yeah, I hear it. Whoa.
Okay. All right.
Yep. That's recording, right? Okay. Is there anything out here with us? Can you please make yourself known? What's that? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What?
It was like 3 knocks.
Yeah. I heard it clear in here. Is that you? Can you knock back? So we just heard 3 knocks. Little taps or something. Knock 3 times for us? What? I heard it again. You trying to say hi? You know, it just gave me the chills. What if it's not knocking?
It's clicking.
What if it's clicking? That gave me. I heard it in my own ears, Devin. Oh yeah, I heard it in my own ears too. Through here. Are you saying hello? Can you say hi again? That's really you. Can you do that 4 times? Like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did you hear it from? It sounds like it's right behind us. Like right behind the chimney. Did you hear 4 that time? Yeah. We probably didn't capture on the camera, but we just asked it to knock 4 times, and it knocked 4 times. I have it all on this audio device. We'll be playing that on the screen. What if this thing is like right behind the chimney? Hold on. I heard you knock 4 times. Can you knock in a pattern like this? It is the end part. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. If you communicate with us, knock once for yes, twice for no. Are you a spirit here with us? It knocked once. Are you a male? Are you a female spirit? Can you knock once for yes, twice for no? Well, that was like 3 times. Did you hear that time? Yeah. What do you think that is? I don't know. Can you try to knock as many times in a row as you can, like this? Are you still there? Three. Okay, we got the camera closer to the chimney now. We're going to see if we can capture the knocking on the camera. It's been persistent, so we'll see how well the camera picks it up. 1 second, let me get all set up. Yeah. Okay, Did you hear that? What? What? It was a lot of knocks again. Can you knock again, but louder? That one sounded like it was like... Are you trying to communicate with us? Can you knock again to show the camera? Sounds like it's cracking. Like I can't tell if it sounds like it was cracking for a second. Can you try to knock louder? You say no? What the hell's going on? Where are you at? Are you in the chimney? Oh, shit. Are you on this side of the chimney with us? Knocked once. Can you try to move something to show us that you're there? No.
What the hell is that though?
Are you not strong enough?
What are you capturing?
Yes. It knocked once. Are you a female? Oh. Yes. Did you die out here? Yes. You hear that?
What if it's Anita Baldwin just like knocking?
Can you
chimney?
See us? Is my hand close to you? Yeah? Can you try to touch my hand? Are you friendly? Yes. You notice how it didn't do any sound while we're focusing on that? And we asked the question and answers? Are you having fun? Yes. I'm Devin. This is Corey. It's nice to meet you. Can you knock once for saying hi? Hi.
What the fuck? What the hell? Was that from my cousin? But what?
What? Are you laughing at us?
What's going on?
What do we ask now?
I don't know.
Thank you for being very intelligent and communicating with us. What the hell? Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but it's talking with us. Can you say hi to the people on the camera? Can you knock once for yes? Oh, there was. I gotta see if you hear it on here. Can you try to complete this pattern? Do the end pattern of this. Oof. Oof. So the knocking stopped for some reason. Hasn't happened for a good couple minutes now. Oh, it's back. I also want to see where it's coming from. Can you try to move a rock to show us where you're exactly at? Heard again. Feel free to communicate more with us. Do that? No. That was like 4? So we're hearing movement over there now. I gotta get to the bottom of this. Let's see what this is doing. This. Hi, can you see me? is the speaker? Hello?
Because I'm not pressing anything.
Hello? Am I right here? Do you not like me being this close?
I heard a crack over here. Back in the bush again.
Are you still here with us?
Something right here.
Right here?
What? Psst. Like it sounded like the click.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you over there now? Are you still with us? Knock once for yes. We're going to be playing more sounds. We have the camera set up in the fireplace with the light. The speaker's actually right above it on the mantle. You're more than welcome to come back and say hi again. Just remember to do little knocks like this. Here, I'm going to throw a rock. Can you try to throw a rock back? Oh, it fell. I'll throw a rock. Try to throw it back. Here, I'll throw another rock so you can make a sound with it. Okay, hold on. We're gonna leave. Can you just knock once to say goodbye? Goodbye.
Just want to make sure that there's no like.
No, but why would it be going in the pattern where...
Oh no.
Yeah, I don't know.
So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to the old horse bridge. And then head over to the cabin.
Whatever that was, though, it was intelligent. We have all the audio files, so. I was actually nodding off during the last sounds we did. I felt myself nodding off. I was like, ooh. So while we were doing the last session back there, or the last few ones, we were hearing a bunch of sounds off over here, like this area, but it could be any kind of wildlife, really. Are you following us out? What's that? Oh. Why is that playing? It stopped. Oh, no.
No, you have it open. Why did it start playing in my pocket?
I was freaking out for a second, kind of like, what is that?
What is that?
Okay, we're approaching the old horse bridge. We once set up a tent under the horse bridge. I did an investigation under the bridge. Here's the bridge. We call it the horse bridge because it was their main road they would take with horses and carriages to the house that we're just at. Oh God, the bush scared me.
So scary.
Why did the bush scare me? We're back on the main path.
I get a picture of it, man.
There's a full moon right there. Well, we were on this path last week. I'm signaling someone else way over there. Or is that a UFO? See him? Oh. I swear I just heard the same click sound to my left.
Really?
I swear.
Should I throw a pine cone?
Oh, it's a cold, really cold draft. That's where we filled that cold up last week.
Yeah.
Light's starting to fade. Can you try to show yourself to prove that you're actually here? That moth is him or her. And they're just gonna take you to Ghost Court. And they're gonna win. That was because there's times where I'd ask the question and it would answer right away.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, you're a female. It's like, and then can you see us? It's like, it's like, oh, it's pretty clear. This light. I feel like you should be able to see a lot, but you can't. That's where we saw the porcupine. So this barely, you can't even see the cabin and the phone.
It's really weird though.
Ding, 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 Well, if you catch something moving in the window, we're not seeing it on the camera. Imagine refurbishing that whole cabin. That's your house. Alright, so we are slowly heading back up to the car. Yeah, I think we had a pretty good night. Nothing, we're trying to catch UFO stuff and might have caught more ghost stuff again. Any of the ghosts out there. Oh, car, turn the light out. There's a car coming. They're going fast.
Yeah.
I think we're driving right now, damn. Another car?
Two people on.
They're going so fast. Jeez. They have no two shits to give. Okay, so not queso with the cheese, but
Queso. But you never know though. We might have captured some things that we didn't see.
Yeah, because that's what we did last time.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video and everything that we found during the time tonight. And I hope you enjoy your popcorn and coffee. And we'll see you on the next one.
Tell them what we're going next.
We're going, hopefully, to Valhalla on a less populated night, of course. And then just do an investigation out there. Probably go down to the lake and do the CE5 Experiment stuff. And yeah, hopefully.
Before we go though, any ghosts out here who want to follow us home, you're more than welcome. We can do an investigation at our own house. Just light things. Oh, whoa. What is going on here now? It's loose. Oh. Alright, so this is the end of the video. We will see you guys all next one.
The outro.
The outro of the outro. And now let the credits roll.